朋友们，大家好 ！Welcome to Millian's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow.
Today we are making a delicious mushroom recipe. This savory and spicy dish is quick and easy to make. The exact amount is in the description box. Let's get started. For this coat, we are using Enoki Mushroom. Let's start by cutting the end of the mushroom off. Then rinse the mushroom and split it apart. Strain the mushroom. Now let's remove the stem and thinly cut the chilies. You can use any chili you like. Then split the white part of the green onion from the green part. And thinly cut the green part. Now cut some garlic. Remove the husk and mix it. Let's make the cornstarch slowly. Mix some water with cornstarch. Next, cook the mushroom in boiling water. Cook for a couple of minutes and put it on a plate. Now add some oil in a hot wok. I'm using medium-low heat. Let's add the aromatics in. Stir fry to release the fragrance. Then add the ground pork and cook. When it's cooked, add in oyster sauce, light soy sauce, and salt. Mix together and add water. When it's boiling, add chicken powder and cornstarch slurry. Mix everything in and pour it over the mushroom. Now garnish with green onion and it's done. Wow, looks good. Time for this test. Looks amazing. I can't wait to try. It's so good. The mushroom is crunchy and a little bit chewy. The meat is tender. Good mix of texture. It's savory, spicy. It's very tasty. Very fragrant from the onion, garlic, and chilies. So delicious. If you have any question and would like to be mentioned in the next video, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, buddy. 再见